Welcome to the Somali Engineers Innovation News. A flying car is a type of personal air vehicle that provides door-to-door or transportation by both ground and air. The term flying car is often used to include roadable aircraft and hover cars. Their appearance is often predicted by futurologists, with their failure ever to reach production leading to the catchphrase, "Flying cars are also a popular theme in fantasy and science fiction stories." A practical flying car would have to be capable of safely taking off, flying and landing throughout heavily populated urban environments. However, to date no vertical takeoff and landing vehicle has ever demonstrated such capabilities. To produce such an aircraft would require a propulsion system that is quiet, to avoid noise complaints, and has non-exposed rotters so it could be flown safely in urban environments. Additionally, for such aircraft to become airborne, they would require very powerful engines which would create huge and concentrated downdrafts, a bad idea in an urban environment. Many types of aircraft technologies and form factors have been suggested, such as duct fan and tilt rotor vehicles, but most previous designs have suffered from problems. Duct fan aircraft tend to easily lose stability and have difficulty traveling greater than 30-40 knots, while tilt rotors such as the V-22 Osprey are generally noisy. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe Somali Engineers channel to get the next video.